Hello all, welcome to Selenium Python training series. In this session, as part of Selenium WebDriver, I'm going to practically demonstrate how to handle application web push notifications, which are otherwise known as permission pop-ups. You see, when you load some application pages in the browsers, you will get a web push notification or this permission pop-ups displayed. Okay, and because of they being displayed on the web page when you load them, okay, they will obstruct your automation script to run. You will not be able to interact with any element on the web pages because they come in between. These web push notifications will come in between, and when they are displayed, you cannot perform any operations on the application. I'll show you one example of this web push notification. So here is the website, guys. When you load this homedepot.com, you're getting this web push notification, and this web push notification is coming from the browser level, guys. It's not like a element which is on the web page. For example, the search button is on the web page. This text box field is on the web page. You can inspect these elements, and using the HTML code, we can create a locator and pass it to the Selenium so that Selenium can find these elements and perform the operations. But coming to this web push notification pop-up, you cannot right click. You see, you're not able to inspect and create the locators for this particular elements or options on this web push notification, and Selenium cannot handle this using the commands. It has like click command or something will not work here. Okay, so then how? Simple thing is that during the automation, we have to disable these notifications, guys. Okay, when you're running your automation scripts, you have to disable these notifications. Okay, you have to instruct the browser that this kind of web push notification should not be displayed when you're running your automation scripts. If they got displayed during the automation scripts, you will not be able to perform any operations on this application, guys. Okay, we have to get rid of this first. How to get rid of this web push notification, or how to handle this web push notification, and how to make this web push notification not appear on the web page when you are running the automation scripts. For that, there are some commands, guys. Okay, you have to disable them. There are no particular commands to locate or something, but there are some ways to disable them and make sure that they will not come when you run the automation scripts. Okay, so what is that configurations you have to do? For that, guys, here is the thing. Okay, how to disable them or make sure that they don't appear when you are running your automation scripts is you have to take the help of these options, guys. Okay, you have to take the help of these options, guys. So what I will do here is I'll remove all this code for now. I'll write the code again. Freshly, I'll write the code. I'll remove everything. I'll freshly write the code here. First of all, I want to say WebDriver dot Chrome, guys. WebDriver, and import this WebDriver from Selenium. So I'm going to import this WebDriver from Selenium. From Selenium import WebDriver and say dot. I'll say Chrome browser. Okay, I want to launch the Chrome browser. It will return you the driver, and using the driver, I'll maximize the browser window. Normal script I'm writing first of all, maximizing the browser window. After that, I want to open the application URL. Which application URL I want to open? The application URL that is going to give you that web push notification I'm going to open. Okay, I'll take the example website as the same thing as homedepot.com. I will take. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is, if I open this, there's a possibility that this web push notification may come and my automation script may not work. So I want to get rid of that. Okay, I want to get rid of that. So for that, guys, to disable this web push notification from not coming or not appearing on this web page when you run the automation script, here I have to create an object for options. Okay, here I need to create an object for options, guys. Okay, options class. Hover the mouse on this options and import this options from, this is a Chrome browser, right? I have to import these options from Chrome options. Okay, select this Chrome options from Selenium WebDriver Chrome options, import options like that. And it will return you, let's say, Chrome options. It will return. I'll create an object reference here. Okay, I'm creating an object for this options class, and it is returning you the Chrome options as the object reference. Now, using this Chrome options, I will add an argument here, and here the argument will contain disable notifications argument. Okay, so you can see that here, guys, I provided here. You see options dot add argument and disable notifications. Okay, you have to write something like this: hyphen disable hyphen notifications. So these options now need to be applied for this, browser. Okay, how to do that in the Chrome when you're this particular Chrome calling constructor is there, right? Here, I need to pass that, guys. Okay, I need to pass what? I have to pass options is equal to this Chrome options. I have to specify the Chrome options for which this argument is specified, and the push notifications are disabled, right? Okay, we have disabled the notifications, right? That Chrome options I have to pass here to this Chrome by saying options is equal to this Chrome options for this configurations are applied. Now I'll just give some time.sleep so that we can see for a while, because otherwise the browser will close automatically. So for 10 seconds is enough, more than enough. So here I'll import this time, and otherwise I'll give 15 seconds. Okay, this 10 seconds or 15 seconds are enough, guys. Okay, mostly. So you see this time when I am running this automation script by disabling the notifications, you will see that that web push notification will not come. Okay, run the script. It will open the Chrome browser with this disable notifications option set, and you will not see any pop-up coming. Okay, you will not see any web push notification or permission pop-up coming here asking you for the location, allow the location or something. It will not come, guys. Let the web page load. Let the web page load, and once the web page loads, you have 15 more seconds of time where you can see that whether the web push notification is coming or not. Since we already have disabled the web push notification, mostly it will not come, guys. Okay, still the page is loading, guys. Okay, Selenium will wait for the page to load. Okay, so let's wait for the page to load. Yeah, the page has now loaded completely, but now we have 15 seconds of time to check whether web push notification is coming or not. You see, till now web push notification has not come asking for the location and all when I'm running this automation script. Let the browser close. You see, things are very successful, right? We are able to disable the notifications in the Chrome browser. So hope guys you understood how to disable the web push notification. So this is how, guys, we can handle the application web push notifications, or that we can also call them as permission pop-ups in the Chrome browser. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.